everyone, welcome to this video. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a video so you don't miss one of my favorite videos that I post to you guys. Like this video if you like it. And yeah, today's video I'm going to be doing a slime collection. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay guys, the first one we have is this butter slime. My friend Clarice got me, so we're just going to open it. Here it is. Go and check her video out as well. It's called Clarice on Skates. I'm pretty sure Clarice on Skates Swim or Clarice on Skates, but yeah, there it is. Next slime, this is for my friend Ocon, but I'm not really going to show you guys that. Then I have this blue slime here. It's very stretchy and crunchy. But yeah. So then next I have this blue slime actually made with my friend Clarice. Go check her video out, which is Clarice on Skates Swim. To say it again. So here it again. Here it is. So here it is. It's really crunchy. It has foam beads on it. So that open. Next we have this brown slime. Here it is. There it is. Then I have this goo one. And it has a surprise in it. I'll show you. It is this unicorn. I love it. It's very glittery. And here is the slime. I mean the goo. It's very, very jiggly. Okay, then I have this white slime. So let's get this. Here it is. It's really good. There it is. Next, I have this green slime. Let's get this one out. So here it is. I actually really like it. Then here I have this case one. I'm not going to really show you inside of it because it's really sticky, but I'm going to activate it. So yeah, it's this kit. All of them are really sparkly. They're clear, stuff like that. So, okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you like it. Remember to like this video if you like it. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified every time I post a video so you don't miss one of my favorite videos. And I'm going to be doing a part 2 of my slimes because I have more slimes and yeah, and I don't have time for all of my slimes because I have too many. And yeah, I'm going to be doing a part 2 tomorrow. Smash the subscribe button, hit the likes, and hit the bell to get notified every time I post a video so you don't miss one of my favorite videos that I post to you guys. Shout outs go to Violet McKenzie, Seth Perfection, Clarice on Skates, or perhaps Clarice on Skates Slim, but yeah. And thank you so much for watching. Peace. Bye.